Class 9, Chapter 3, Drainage. First, let's understand the meaning of the word drainage. Drainage is a system that carries dirty water from the houses. This is one of the literal meanings of the word drainage. Now, when it comes to geography, how do we define drainage? Drainage is the river system of an area. Okay, so in this chapter, what we are going to study, we are going to study about the Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers, and the various rivers which originate in the other parts of the country. But when they flow into India, where are they flowing? Which regions are they covering? Into which ocean or sea do they drain the water? Will be studied in this chapter. I'll be doing it detailed in my next video. But just now in this video, I'll be discussing the main terms which are again and again repeatedly used in the chapter. The first term is drainage. I told you the literal meaning of the word drainage is what? The system that carries dirty water from the houses. But in this chapter, that is drainage, chapter 3 of geography, class 9, here we will study about the river system of the country, of various areas. Second term which is used on the first page is drainage basin. Now, drainage basin is an area that is occupied by the tributaries and the distributaries. Now, what are these tributaries and distributaries? Let's first take distributary. Distributary, what happened? The main river that is flowing, it itself divides into further channels. And when it gets divided, what are formed? Distributaries are formed. And what are tributaries? Tributaries are the other rivers which are joining the main river. Suppose you have a river and other rivers are coming and joining this main river. Then those rivers will be termed as what? Tributaries. And the river, when itself, suppose this is the river, it is getting divided, then distributaries are formed. So the area that is covered by tributaries, distributaries, and the main river is flowing there, that area is termed as drainage basin. Now the third term that is used in the entire chapter is water divide. What is this water divide? Suppose I have a flat surface, this is a plain area, and the river here, it's flowing, it's free to flow in all the direction. Now suppose due to movement and tectonic plates, due to other natural condition, the middle portion, any portion has become elevated. It has increased in height. So now what happened? The river which was free first earlier will now flow this side. Here the water will flow this side. The water which was now previously flowing freely has to flow either this side or that side. So this elevated portion which has divided the river into two parts, this part will act as a water divide. Is it clear? So water divide is an elevated mountain or an upland where the land rises in height, increases in height. That area which is dividing the river into two parts, two drainage basins are formed by, earlier it was a flat surface, one full drainage was there, one drainage system was there. Now the middle portion has become elevated, so that one river has got divided into two parts. So now we have what? Two drainage basin. Okay, two drainage basin. So this elevated portion, it becomes what? Water divide. Is that clear? So first you need to clear all these three terms in your brain. Drainage is the river system of the country. Drainage basin is the area that is occupied by the tributaries and the distributaries. And the next one is water divide. What is water divide? Because of some elevated portion or an upland, the river gets divided into two parts. Okay. See this diagram to understand the meaning of drainage basin. Suppose this is the main river, this is the main stream. When the other rivers, they flow and they join this main river, other rivers originating from other points, they are coming and they are joining this main river. Okay, they're originating from other points and they are joining this main river. They are termed as what? Tributaries. Okay, and when this river and when the main river gets divided into multiple channels, what are formed? Distributaries are formed. So this entire area which is covered by the main river, tributaries and the distributaries is termed as drainage basin. Okay, so remember, tributaries are the other rivers which are coming and joining the main river, And distributaries is the main river itself when it is getting divided into further channels, into small rivers. In order to know more about the chapter, you can watch my upcoming videos.